To sell online courses on Gumroad, start by typing Gumroad into your web browser, which will take you to the home page. From there, click on either the dashboard or login button. If you click the login button, you'll need to fill out your account information, including your email address and password. Once logged in, you'll see various options on the left-hand side, including collaborators, workflows, analytics, payouts, and products. Click on Products to view your existing products, and then select the Create New Product option. You'll be presented with several product types, including digital products, courses or tutorials, ebooks, bundles, physical goods, and memberships. Since you want to sell an online course, click on Course or Tutorial. Give your course a name, and then proceed to customize the price and product details. This includes adding a description, thumbnail, contact information, and pricing. Once you've completed these steps, save and continue, and your online course will be created and ready to sell. After setting up your course, you can access it and make any necessary changes. This process allows you to easily sell your online courses on Gumroad. If you find this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who may be interested in selling their own online courses.